Okay, let's dive into this simple, everyday restorative drink for better muscle recovery and energy.
If you're over 40, you absolutely need to hear this. Joint health and daily energy become top priorities.
Start by blending half a cup of oats. They give you complex carbs for steady, long-lasting energy.
Next, naturally add 1 banana right into the mix. The potassium helps stop those annoying muscle cramps.
Toss in 6 or 7 almonds. Their healthy fats and magnesium actively support your joint lubrication.
Finally, just pour in a glass of milk to blend. It provides crucial calcium and protein for recovery.
So the crucial point is this mix directly strengthens and repairs your bones, muscles, and tendons. Building stronger leg muscles means this simple, everyday mix actively helps prevent painful knee injuries. Plus, balanced carbs and protein give you the sustained, realistic energy of a 15-year-old. No afternoon crash.
Share this explainer right now with someone who really needs to naturally support their stamina and joints.
Make sure you follow, then comment the word book for my complete guide to restorative recipes.
So, are you ready to restore your energy? Try it out and follow for more real health tips.